Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG Olufsen Beosound A1 third generation speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair this speaker with your Android device. And first we have to tap the settings here, and now we have to enter connected devices. Here we have to tap pair new device, and now we have to search for the Bluetooth button at the bottom of our speaker, which is here, and we have to click this button. Maybe click and hold. Yes, it worked better. Now we are in pairing mode, and here we have to click connect to connect to our device. If you don't see your speaker here on the bottom of your screen with the alert, you can just search for the speaker in the pairing devices list. Now we are all done. Goodbye!